Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi here for Princetontrader with your Monday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, 15-minute chart of the ES. We'll look at this a little bit, then I want to jump over to the daily chart. We made new highs on Friday, 15.10 half, as you can see here. A little bit of a slower bleed overnight, couple lower highs. You had one here, 15.08 half. You had another one, 15.08. And, we've just seen a little bit of selling pressure into the morning hours. And what you've seen is it bounce right off our 9-day pivot there, 1497.67. You can get those pivots on the website, Princetontrader.com. You can also find them over on the Mr. Topstep website as well. It'll be very interesting to see what the bears can do with this. The bulls are going to bounce it. The dip buyers are not going to go away. I would fully expect that we get a bounce here to this daily 3-day pivot zone that runs from 1503 up to 1504 half. Then the question becomes, does that pivot zone become resistance? If it does, then the bears have a chance to come down, break through the 9-day pivot here, and make new lows and go to work on areas like 1496, 1493, and 1488. I'll tell you right now, that is asking a lot of the bears based upon recent performance and recent history. That said, as we jump out to the daily chart, you can see here on the daily that we're kind of riding that upper band. We didn't punch it. It tried to roll the band here, but it couldn't do it. And we had a very small punch and some negative follow-through that the bears just could not follow through with. So the ball remains in the bulls' court. The bulls have to perform every single day. They can maybe take half a day off, maybe a day off, but no more than that. If they do that, then the bears are going to get a little bit emboldened and you'll start to see some momentum to the downside. So the bulls can't take any days off. The bears have to push, and if the bears start to push, then they're not going to be able to take any days off. You're in a very black and white market here. Nobody can really take days off. Somebody has to win each day. And because you can see what happened here, you had the punch, negative follow-through, then right here, the bears took the day off. And if you take the day off, what's going to happen? The other side's going to jump on it, run it back up to new highs. So if this turns out to be a negative day, tomorrow better be a negative day too, or the bulls will run it back up. So we'll see how the rest of the day plays out. Again, critical area, 1503 to 1504 half. If you break through there, that opens up 1508 and a potential run to new highs. On the downside, you're looking at 1496. Then these lows down here that came in around 1491 half is the ultimate goal for the bears today. But if you're a bear, you don't want a straight push down there because that just sets up a double bottom. You want to stair step it. If you're a bull, you want to stair step higher. If you're a bear, you want to stair step lower. You keep backing and filling in each direction until you get a push through. If you go straight up or straight down, you're going to get exhausted pretty fast. Okay. That's all I've got. Mike Vacchi, Princeton Trader. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.